tell us, yes, also there is now the related case of the mercury sugar. The mercury sugar also was a big monster in the last parliament. And the same committee of trade did their part of their findings. And at that point, there was no stage that the recommendations of that committee recommended that sugar for use. Maybe, Madam Chair, if you are in capacity to respond, Madam MD, if you are in capacity to respond, where that sugar vanished? Because we have any evidence that there is somewhere. So, in case this committee would like to benchmark and see this sugar, is that sugar available somewhere? Proceed, Madam Member.
Can I suggest something? Chair, I wanted to suggest that because of time and the questions she had, the MD and KEBS have to respond are quite many, and since we have to go to the House because of the agenda before the House, the remaining members can pose their questions.
Yes.
And KEBS are left to go and ponder with those questions,
Correct.
do a response, and we'll do another meeting perhaps on Tuesday next week at an earlier time than 12, so we can go through those questions, and as well perhaps if also we could invite Kenya Revenue Authority and maybe Waimpac or Kenya Revenue Authority first, I don't know. But that is our suggestion, Chair.
I think that's a good one.
Any member to support that proposal?
Second.
Well, what is the schedule for, how is our, this schedule? So we can put it to last. Okay. So that at least we can move after this. Let us allow members who have very valid questions to post them. All of you, very quickly, I will give you at least 2 minutes each. And after that, all the response, we shall at least adjourn so that Tuesday, the KEBS will come and so that we can finalize on their part. But going forward, order members. You're out of order. I direct that after that, Tuesday, this committee will need to listen from the other part of KRI, and still we also need to hear from the final destination of the commodity, which was Waimpac. I think that is the order we take. And because the time of notifying them is very short, they will not be part of Tuesday meeting, but the scheduled 7 days of window are added to, so that if we fit them in the next last day, they can appeal themselves. And with that order, Honorable Bidi.
Thank you, Chair. I wanted to do some analysis of the events which happened here, but because of time, I will not be able to do. But the way I understand, Merako was the consignee who brought the sugar, and then the Merako appointed Galgamesh in the prices to be able to negotiate on his behalf. And then Ocean Freight was to coordinate the transport. Now, where this gentleman called Intika is where came in, that was the person purchase was given a free hand to steal. Why did you do that, knowing that KRA was supposed to collect the taxes, and you cannot collect the taxes if you are not in the possession of the goods that you are supposed to collect the taxes? Mine is only that.
Thank you very much. That's a very valid question, because for sure, if it was issued to be exercised at the level of the KRA bordered areas, and that was Mombasa. But there was no, unless it was a corroborated syndicate so that the commodity proceed on.
Thank you, Chair. I concur with my colleagues that time cannot allow us to ask many questions. But because I'll get an opportunity next time to ask.
You can still hold your question and then prepare them well, so that you come with at least all of them on Tuesday. That's agreed.
Yeah, but let me give my observation.
Okay.
Not the question today.
Proceed.
Sorry. Thank you, Chair. I think I'm okay. You know, this is a new thing. Yesterday in the prayer, the president of the appeal court, Justice Honorable Justice Odunga, said that the country need to forgive each other. So we are, anyway, I just wanted to bring our minds here. On the observation, I'm really finding out, Chair, that as much as we are going to make a judgment and try to look on this document, this issue, if you check on the way KEBS have submitted their documents, if I was a judge, the documents are presented well. But now the question is, if this is not politics, because if you see things that has happened 2018, then the issues have been come and reported just the other day, and then again when they are reported is that things are missing. You might find out that if these things are looked at very, this thing never lost this few months. Maybe it has lost. If it's with the vice chair, that we need to have more information and try to see what is going on. I saw that because I have so much interest because of my place in Kajiado South. Sometimes I've been in very harsh arguments with them. But in this, if at all we are going to be very keen, you will find out that they will take a blame that doesn't belong to them. They will take a blame which doesn't belong to them. And this one, I really need, even not only the KRA, but even the minister, the CS, in charge of these things. Because these things, if you just check on what these things have been, if they got lost in Thika, where I see KEBS were not involved. They were involved the senior management, with the senior people, and the KRA. These things that when even they sack the MD, or the way they rush and make a decision and stop the MD, Jelaini, it was a very, these things in KEBS happen like a blink of an eye. It was just something that has been well organized. Things have been done. They move this person, senior people from KRA